My name is Heather, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a bun with a bun form. So to start with, we're going to part from ear to ear. So I'm going to take the hair forward. And the reason why you want to part up this way is so that when we pull it all up, you can't see any lines. So the first thing I'm going to do after that is put some mousse in to give me some control that's not stiff. And then I'm going to use my wet brush to bring her hair up high. There's a lot of ballet buns need to be really high up, but you can do this actually at any angle. You could do it high, low. And part of the reason why you're taking it in two sections is so you can get the most control of the hair. And you can make it tight so it won't sag in the back. So now, as you can tell, we've got some bumps and lumps. We can take care of most of it now, and then when we're done, we'll take care of the rest of it. So we smooth it out with the bottom of our tail comb. And it's okay if there's still bumps up here because the bun will cover it when we're done. So now, we're gonna put mousse in the front. And we're going to use our wet brush again to go over the other ponytail. So we technically have two ponytails that make one. So as you can see, there's one ponytail, and now I'm putting the second one on top. And now you've got a very nice high ponytail. And again, we're gonna comb everything back. And if there's any bumps, you take your tail comb and you slide it underneath to remove the lumps. So now I'm gonna use my bun maker. And it matches her hair color so that if when I put it through again and I bring it around, any part of it shows, you won't be able to tell. So what I'm doing now is I'm taking my ponytail, wrapping it around, and pulling it through again. And then I'm going to pull all this hair around the bun form so that you can't see it anymore. Now Sarah's got a lot of hair, so she's got an extra tail. With thinner hair, you won't see this tail as much, or it might disappear. You might have a little bit. And you're going to slide it around and tuck it underneath. You will need some bobby pins. You want to close up this gap and secure it to her head. So usually when you put bobby pins in, you want to put them in where you feel like you need to secure it. And the ridge side goes towards her head. So I'm going to slide it in here, slide it in here, and then I think I'm going to make that smoother and slide it in here. So anytime your finger has to hit a place to hold it down, that's where you want to put the bobby pin. So now you've got a little bit of flyaways. You're going to take some hairspray, spray her hair, and use your comb to smooth it out. You don't want to use your fingers because that will pull the hair out. And you don't want to hold the can too close to her head because that will put too much spray in one spot and make it kind of soggy. And if you find that you have any lumps again after you're done, again, you can slide underneath to smooth it out. And then usually you You want to smooth out the top and make it secure. I'm going to use a brown net to show you, but they usually disappear right into the bun, so you can't see anything. This one squishes it a little bit because she's got a lot of hair, but nets come in different sizes. And then you can pin this down or you can leave it alone. Sometimes, especially ice skaters, aren't allowed to use bobby pins, so you can use 2 rubber bands to secure the bun. So if I take all this out, I'm going to smooth this around. And then I'm going to take a section of hair and I'm going to braid it so that we can cover the rubber band and not have to use any bobby pins. And this braid will go all the way around. And Sarah's braid's going to get really big because she's got a lot of hair. And I'm doing my braiding underneath so that it has a place to hide our rubber band. And you'll see that I'll go all the way around and gather up all that hair. You bring it back around this way. There we go. And then we use a small clear rubber band to tie it off. And then we find that rubber band that's underneath and tuck it under, and then she'll be ready. Here we go. She'll be ready for the ice rink.